Hello class, my name is Nancy Gomez Fajardo and I'll be reading a quick paragraph for phonetics class for the week 6 discussion post about my own dialect. Resources will be in the end, and a further discussion about my dialect will be posted on Canvas. So let's begin. Okay, your own dialect. You wish to know all about my grandfather. Well, he is nearly 93 years old, yet he still thinks as swiftly as ever. He dresses himself in an old black frock coat, usually several buttons missing. A long beard clings to his chin, giving those who observe him a pronounced feeling of the utmost respect. When he speaks, his voice is just a bit cracked and quivers a bit. Twice each day he plays skillfully with zest upon a small organ. Except in the winter when the snow or ice prevents, he slowly takes a short walk in the open air each day. We have often urged him to walk more and smoke less, but he always answers, "Banana oil." Grandfather likes to be modern in his language. And here are the resources, just as I said. Thank you.